Okay. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning.
Yeah.
How
What's
are
your
you?
name? What's your
My
name?
name is Priyam Prem. My name is
Priyam.
Priyam Prem.
Okay,
Yes.
Priyam. Welcome to our company. And first of all, tell me about your introduction.
Thanks for giving me this chance. First of all, I am Priyam Prem. I am from, my native is Nalanda district. I am from GP Tekari Gaya, a final year student. My branch is electrical engineering and my roll number is 14120180061.
Okay,
I
Priyam.
have done my
Yeah.
okay.
Priyam, what is your branch?
My branch is electrical engineering.
Oh, electrical engineering. Why do you choose your branch
Yes, yes.
as this?
I have chosen this branch because of lots of development in this branch other than electronics, civil, etc. That's why I have chosen, because of too much graph
Yeah.
in this
Because
branch also.
you are saying that in nowadays too much electricity is okay, and
Yes.
too much electricity is widening day by day. Okay, its enhancement is increasing
Yes.
day by day. That's why you choose and want
Yes.
to decrease our country as electricity full of India. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Priyam. I have another question. Is that what do you mean by resistance? Resistance is generally used in every circuit. Sometimes,
Yes.
sometimes it may be disadvantage for you for any circuit. Sometimes it may be help for you. So, what is its importance?
Resistance is substance which resists the flow of electricity. Sometimes it helps us from the damage of the substances or components induced in the electrical circuit.
Yeah, good. What's this in which?
Hello, don't listen.
Unit of resistance?
Benefit.
No. I'm asking to you that what is the unit of resistance?
The unit of resistance is ohm.
Okay. And my next question is that what is your ambition?
My ambition is to take part job in your company nowadays. After that, I want to become one of the best employee in your company and serve the company as my best.
Okay. So tell me, Priyam, what is the use of motor in air conditioner branch?
The motor is especially used to start the air conditioner branch, and it also used in the air conditioning substances also.
Okay, Priyam. Do you think that nowadays in our country, generally every person use AC in home, okay, or in office or in mall, like in development city,
Yes.
okay? Do you think that
Yes.
somewhere it is disadvantage for our country because it is
Yes. Yes.
producing
Yes.
a lot of
Yes. Yes.
pollutions? Okay, so please explain
Yes.
it.
Yes. Nowadays, AC is one of the best component used in our houses to feel comfortable. In cities, it is used as the many increasing order. But when we use AC, it produces different types of harmless gases which affect our ozone layer, which can affect us by having a skin cancer, etc.
Okay, Priyam. My next question is that how can you start your own business? Do you know that in Bihar there is a little bit of company in Bihar, and you are belong from a Bihar.
Yes, yes.
So if you have a sufficient money, then how can you raise your own company?
It is very difficult in Bihar to start a company at very low cost because here is very little component available for opening a company. That is the reason why Bihar is so backward in today's country.
You can say that Bihar is too much poor, backward as in the form of company. Okay,
yes,
but you are belong from Bihar, then you have to development, you have to set up, because you are going to make an engineer, so we have to develop a company in Bihar.
Yes, as I belong to electrical engineering, so I also want to develop a company related with electricity, that also, or to generate electricity company.
Do you think that in Bihar some villages, okay, some villages still present there, they have no electricity? Are you agree with me?
Yes, but there are very few villages, because in last 5 to 10 years electricity in villages has increased at rapidly cost.
Yeah, good. My next question is that suppose you are doing some particular work in a particular company, okay, and
Okay.
and you are too much fed up with your boss, okay, because your boss, because your boss is too much give a pressure to do work, do this, because you know in companies sometimes what will happen, you have only a specific task, but your boss, whatever your senior, they will try to give a force to different to do tasks, okay, so how can you handle it? Or you leave the company, otherwise you have to settle, or you manage it?
Can you repeat last one?
Yeah, I can say you that suppose you are doing some particular company, okay, like a air conditioner plant or any power system, okay, or any chemical industry or any other industry, and you are a junior than your boss, okay, and you have only a particular task, that you are doing some particular work, okay. In spite of that, your boss is giving too much tasks, okay, do this different activities, so how can you handle it? Because you have a lot of pressures.
Okay. As you tell me that my boss is familiar to me, and he give me lot of tasks, because of my capacity and tendency, he seen this and give this task to. I will manage the task as possible to me, and help the company as better as I can.
Oh, you can think this, you can take this question as a positive view, okay.
Yes.
Good. And my last question is that suppose we have a lot of money, okay, and you are a you are doing some particular company, okay, and you know sometimes what will happen if you have a lot of money, then some persons think that no, I will start my own business, I will leave that company, okay. Like if I will see an example of Sundar Pichai, because he is CEO of Google, okay, if he think that no, I will start my own business, I will create my own Google, okay, so something you think that if you have a lot of money, then you have a something a mind something thought comes your mind that I will also start my own company, I will leave that particular company in which we are previously working?
Yes, it can be in my mind, if I have more money, that I can open my own company, but where from you start your job in that company, then that maybe also your own thought depends that you should leave your company or not. But my point of view, I don't think so that I will leave that company, because that is my first and foremost job which the organization has given to me.
Because before starting your, before doing your work, because we have too much trust on that company, because he gave you job. Okay, good. Okay, Priyam, my last question is that how much you want a salary from our company? What is your expectation?
As the organization has suggested, the wages required for me depends upon my feature in the organization or workplace. As the organization, the salary ranges between 10 to 20,000 at least.
Okay, good Priyam. Thank you. We have give a well done interview. Okay, Priyam.
Thank you. Thanks.
Now
can I cut that?